Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today this is a new video. Earn money to make money coincide exploring option like online platform for content creating, uh, commerce and freelancing, or leveraging your skills in various online services and marketplaces. For content creator, Google AdSense and platform like uh, Pinterest and Instagram offer monetization opportunities through ads, sponsorship, and affiliate marketing. Additional mobile apps like the Mood Earn app provide various way to earn cash reward. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Content creation online platform. Google Ads earn money by displaying ads on your website or blog. Social media platforms like Pinterest and Instagram allow creators to monetize their content through various methods including sponsorship, affiliate marketing, and branded content. YouTube monetize video through ads and other feature. Uh, Podcasting explore option like sponsorship, Patreon, and other platform to monetize your podcast. Number 2, e-commerce selling products utilize platform like Amazon, Easy, or create your own online store to sell practical or digital products. Propship partner with suppliers to sell product without holding inventory. Print on demand design and sell custom products through print on demand service. Freelancing services online marketplaces offer your skills on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Guru, providing services like writing, design, web development, or virtual assistance. Freelance platform find project on platform specializing in specific niches like design, writing, or programming. Online tutoring share your knowledge and skills by tutoring student online. Number 4, other option. Mobile app explore apps like the Mood Earn app that offer virtual ways to earn cash reward, including listening to music, taking surveys, playing games, and more. Affiliate marketing promote other companies' products and earn a commission on sales. Online surveys participate in paid surveys on various platforms. Microtask platform complete small task for payment on platform like Amazon. Mechanical Turk investment considered investing in stock, cryptocurrency, or other assets to potentially earn returns. Education insurance can refer to different types of insurance product aimed at protecting your financial investment in education, but for individuals and in situation for individuals and families. Education savings plans, these are designed to help females save for a child future education experience. 5 to 9 plans, 529 plans, tax advantaged plans offered by state allowing for tax deferred growth and tax-free withdrawals for qualified education expenses. They can be used for college graduation schools and in some cases K-12 tuition coverage. ESA offer tax-free investment earning and can be used for a wide range of K-12 and college expenses, but have lower contribution limits and income restriction. Gerber Life Insurance College Plan and endowment life insurance policy providing a guaranteed payout at maturity to be used for college or other purpose. Tuition insurance provides reimbursements for tuition room and board and fees if a student withdraws from college due to an unforeseen coverage reason, like a serious student withdraws from college due to an unforeseen coverage reason like a serious illness or injury. It can be helpful for those concerned about losing their investment if a student needs to leave school early. Life insurance with education benefits. Some life insurance policies particularly whole life policies have a cash value component that can grow over time. Parents can borrow against this cash value to help fund their child education. This offers flexibility in how the funds are used and do not impact financial aid eligibility as much as some other saving plans. For education institution, educational institution insurance cover broad range of risk faced by schools and colleges, including liability, property damage, personal injury, cyber threats, and more. It can include coverage tailored to specific educational settings like K-12 schools, public schools, private schools, charter schools, and higher education institution. Key consideration goals determine if you need to save for future education expenses or protect an accepting investment in education. Tax benefits different plans offer varying tax advantages which can influence your flexibility. Consider how you want to use the funds and if you need the ability to access them for other purposes. Risk be a vary of potential downside like market uh, volatility, fees, and penalties for early withdrawal. In summary, education insurance encompasses a range of options for individuals seeking to save and secure funding for education and for institutions needing protection from various oper- operational risk. The best option for you will depend on your specific care competence and goals. $524 planned and covered ESA are both tax advantaged accounts designed to help families save for education expenses, but they have key difference in their tax benefits and other 25 plans. 529 plans. Federal tax treatment contribution are not federally tax deductible but earning grow tax free and withdrawal are tax free when used for qualified education expenses. State tax benefits money. State offer tax educations or credits for contributions often limited to contribution made to the in-state plans. Estate planning benefits contribution are considered completed gift and removed from your taxables. Estate a special provision allows for contribution up to 5 year of the annual gift tax exemptions in 1 year. No federal income limited. There are no income restriction for country butter. High contribution limits are generally high, often reaching several hundred thousand dollars per beneficiary. Qualified experience cover a broad range of experience including tuition fees, books, supplies, equipment, room and board, special needs services, computer technology K-12 tuition up to $10,000 per year, apprenticeship programs and student student loan repayment up to $10,000 lifetime. Flexibility with unused funds can be transferred to another available family member or rolled over into a Roth IRA under certain condition. Coverdell ESAS federal tax terminant contribution are not tax deductible, but earning and distribution are tax free if used for qualified education expenses. State tax benefits generally lack state specific tax advantages. Lower contribution limits limited to $2,000 per beneficiary per year. Income restriction contribution are subject to income limitation. Age limits the beneficiary must be under 81. The account is established unless a special needs beneficiary and funds must be used or transferred by age 30. With a range of qualified experience benefit must be under it. Found must be used or transferred by age 30. With a range of qualified expenses for K-12 cover a broader range of K-12 expenses than 529 plans including tuition, tutoring, books and computer equipment. Investment flexibility generally offer a wider variety of investment choice. In In summary, both plans offer tax-free growth and withdrawals for qualified education expenses. 529 plans offer higher contribution limits and potential state tax benefits. Will convertible ESA have lower limit, income and age restriction, and broader qualified expenses for K-12. The choice between them depends on individual financial circumstances and goals. 529 plans are sponsored by state and will the all offer the federal tax benefit of tax-free growth and withdrawals for qualified education expenses. The state tax benefits can differ significantly. Here are a breakdown of the types of state tax benefit you might encounter. State income tax, education money. State offer education for contribution. Third, the amount varies significantly. Some state offer full deductibility, while other have specific limits per beneficiary or per taxpayer. State income tax credit. 5 states provide a tax credit instead of a graduation, with some state offering option depended on income. States with no state income tax, their state such as Alaska, Florida, and Texas do not offer 529 tax benefits. State with income tax but no 529 tax benefits. Some state with an income tax, including California and Hawaii, do not offer any state tax benefits. For 529 plans, contribution tax parity. State 9 states allow residents to claim a tax benefit for contribution to any state. 529 plans, however, some may offer a higher benefit to contribution to their in-state. Liability car insurance, which refer to bodily injury, BL, and property damage, PD. Liability coverage helps pay for other people injuries and property damage resulting from an auto accident. You cause additional liability coverage help with your accident related legal expenses if you are sued. What is bodily injury liability insurance? Bodily injury liability coverage financially protects you if you or someone on your policy cause a car accident that injures another person, paying for their medical expenses and, if needed, to your legal services. More specifically, this money include hospital car rehabilitation, prescription pain and suffering, lost wages, funeral cost. Imagine this potential real life scenario. You are at fuel in rear and collision. No one is seriously injured, but the other driver complains of worst pain and his patient has a forehead cut and ambulance takes them to the emergency room for treatment, which your insurance cover along with their medical cost. What is property demand liability insurance? Property demand liability average helps protect you from the cost you may be responsible for if you damage someone else's property in an auto accident. Typically, this involves damage to another person car, but it might also include other property such as a guardrail, fence, mailbox, home, or commercial property. For example, it can help pay for the other person's auto mechanic. Rental car. 2. Personal item lost in an accident. Repair. 2. Will you crashed through. 3. Removal or replacement. Imagine this potential real life scenario. You rear end and other car will following too closely, which service and hits someone's mailbox. Depending on your property damage liability limit, your insurance would pay to have the other vehicle and damaged mailbox repaired or replaced. All driver in state that mandate auto insurance need liability insurance, which usually includes property damage and bodily injury liability coverage. In Florida, driver must have personal injury protection PIP to cover their own and their liability. It's a good idea to equate protect yourself with both types of liability coverage beyond the state minimum requirement. In education, if you use your vehicle for work or on a flat for business purposes, you might need commercial auto insurance with liability coverage. Motorcycle owner also need a policy with liability insurance to ride. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a new video today. Education. Education encompasses the process of excellent knowledge, development skills, and shopping charter, whether through formal institution or informal means. It's a fundamental human right, crucial for personal and social development, including economic growth, health, and poverty reduction. Education can be categorized into formal, structured within education. Education can be categorized into formal, secured within institution like school, non-formal, situated outside traditional schooling, and informal, unsecured through every experience. Key aspect of education: knowledge and skills. Education involves learning fact, concept, and practical skills. Knowledge and skills. Educational involve learning fact, concept, and practical skills relevant to various fields. Conceptual development. It enhance reasoning, critical thinking, problem solving, and decision making. Subtitles. Personal growth. Education fosters self awareness, emotional intelligence, and communication skills, contributing to personal development. Societal impact. Education empowers individuals to participate more effectively in society, promotes economic growth, and reduce poverty. Various levels. Education system typically include early childhood education, primary, secondary learning styles. Individuals learn in different ways: visual, auditory, kinesthetic, etc., and understanding. This style can improve learning outcomes. Holistic approach. Some educational philosophies emphasize a holistic approach, connecting learning to nature, community, and spiritual values. Importance of early childhood education. Investing in quality overlay childhood education is careers for school reading and long has long terms benefit, particularly for assignments children. How much bodily injury liability coverage do I need? You must meet your state minimum limits, or you can select higher limits for more financially protection. Your policies liability limits determine the maximum amount your car insurance company will pay. If you need to use your coverage limits are represented as two member. For example, you could choose bodily injury liability limit are responded to number. For example, you could choose bodily injury liability coverage with a minimum limit of $25,000 and $50,000. The first amount, $25,000, cover the injury or death of any one person in single accident. The second amount, $50,000, cover the injury or death of more than one person in a single accident. How much property damage liability coverage do I need? Like bodily injury liability, you must meet the minimum property damage liability coverage limits set by your state. You also have the option to select higher limits for increased financial protection. For instance, if your state mandates $25,000 in property damage liability coverage, you can choose that amount or carry $50,000 or more. Instead, any property damage you cause beyond your coverage limit will be your responsibility to pay. Liability insurance coverage offer no protection for your own medical bills or vehicle repair. If you have liability on coverage and you are in an accident, you be responsible for paying those costs out of pocket. Additionally, if your car is vandalized or stolen, you I have to pay for your vehicle to be repaired or replaced. If you are concerned about covering your own expenses in the event of a car accident. You should consider getting medical payment coverage and both comprehensive and collision insurance. Liability and only insurance generally refers to the most basic level of coverage that you can purchase for a vehicle. Sticking to liability only car insurance is one way to keep your insurance cost low, but it is not an option for every driver. For instance, if you are leasing for financing your vehicle, you may you must meet the minimum property demand liability coverage. For your own medical bills or vehicle repair. Bills or vehicle repair. If you have liability only coverage and you are in an accident, you be responsible for paying those costs out of pocket. Additionally, is if you are uh, concerned about covering your own expenses in the event of a car accident, you should consider getting medical payment coverage and both comprehensive and collision insurance. Liability only insurance generally refer to the most basic level of coverage that you can purchase for vehicle. Sticking to liability only car insurance is one way to keep your insurance costs low, but it's not an option for every driver. For instance, insurance on the other hand, if you don't drive much or have an older paid off vehicle, it may to not make financial sense to purchase this coverage optional coverage. Liability only insurance and full coverage insurance, these are likely terms you've heard before, but what do they mean, and which level of coverage could be right for you? Follow along as we best some of the most common liability only math answer your question and give you the insight you need into those two often confusing terms, so you can make the best designed for you, your family and your car. What is liability only insurance? Liability only insurance generally refers to the most basic level of coverage that you can purchase for your vehicle. It's one of the most common types of coverage that is legally required in almost every state and will help protect you should you injure another person or cause damage to their property will operating your vehicle. When you hear someone say liability only, they actually referring to two types of coverage that go hand in hand, not one: bodily injury liability and property damage liability. Together, these coverage help pay for the other person medical expenses, lost baggage, vehicle repair, vehicle replacement, and more. Offer an accident that is primarily your fault. What does liability insurance cover? Will liability only coverage will help you meet the legal requirement in most states. It may not offer you an adequate amount of coverage in the event of an accident. Liability car insurance alone does not provide coverage for your car or your injuries. Without coverage beyond liability only, you could be faced with big repair bills for the vehicle you depend on every day. Full coverage was liability car insurance. You might hear people talking about liability via full coverage when shopping for car insurance. However, you one actually see the term full coverage listed when it's time to get a quote. Despite what many people may think, there are no such things as full coverage car insurance. When people refer to full coverage, they typically describing a policy that includes the state required bodily injury and property damage liability insurance together with completion coverage and collision coverage. Describing full coverage via liability car insurance. You might hear people talking about liability via full coverage when shopping for car insurance. However, you one actually see the term full coverage listed when it's time to get a quote. Despite what many people may think, there are no such thing as full coverage car insurance. When people refer to full coverage, they typically describing a policy that includes the state required bodily injury and property damage liability insurance together with comprehensive coverage and collision coverage. Collision and completions are both related to damage that occur to your vehicle. Collision coverage can come in handy when your vehicle hits another object or is hit by a hit and run driver. Note if your state offer and you purchase your most tourist property damage. This coverage would also be applicable to a hit and run collision. However, you would only be entitled to file a claim under one of the coverage. Comprehensive coverage comes into play if your car is stolen or damaged in an event other than a collision. Think fire, flood, or rockslide, but not the fiction into using the phrase full coverage. Consider that policy that is described as full coverage might to cover over liability expire if it is higher than the liability limit. You choose claims related to an uninsured or underinsured motorist. Let's get you started on your car insurance journey. Car insurance or four-wheeler insurance is an agreement between a car owner and the car insurance provider that offer protection to the four-wheeler owner in the case of financial losses due to unforeseen event like accident and natural calamities. Tata LG General Insurance Company offer a range of comprehensive car insurance on damage car insurance, third party car insurance policies online to help you choose the type of coverage and protection your car needs. You can further enhance your comprehensive car insurance coverage with various add-ons. Fill in your car details and check the quote to find the car insurance policy ideal for your four-wheeler. What is car insurance? Car insurance provides financial protection if your car is damaged in an accident, fire, or natural disaster like floods or earthquakes, or lost due to theft. When you buy car insurance, you pay a premium and return the insurer cover repair or damage cost caused by accident as per the term of your policy. This saves your paying large expenses out of your own pocket if something happened to your car. There are different type. There car ins. There are different type of car insurance to choose from. A third party car insurance policy cover deemed closer to other, including their vehicle or property and any legal liabilities for injuries or death. On-demand insurance covers the cost of repair or replacement of your own vehicle if it is damaged due to accident, theft, fire, natural disaster like flood or earthquakes, or man-made event such as riot or vandalism. And comprehensive car insurance policy offer wide protection. It includes third-party cover as well as coverage for damage to your own vehicle. This can include damage caused by accident, theft, fire, natural disasters like flood or earthquake, and man-made event such as riot or vandalism. You depression, decoration, engine protection, roadside assistance, consumable cover, no claim bonus protection, and other. To put it simply, third-party insurance covers damage to other. On-demand insurance covers damage to your vehicle. Comprehensive insurance combines both and offer stronger protection with add-on car insurance for EVs. Electric car rely on high voltage battery and specialized component that can be costly to repair. Tata ALJ offer insurance plan tailored for EVs, addressing their unique risk. The electric Surge Secure add-on covers damage from short circuit power shore and protects charging equipment supplied with the EV is covered under the base policy for standard perils, but surge related risk require this add-on only. The portable charger provided with the EV is included in the insured declared value IDV. Tata ALG General Insurance Company also provides bumper to bumper cover and engine secure add-on engine secure applies to ICE and hybrid vehicle but is not needed for pure electric cars. You can compare option and selected coverage that fits your EV and budget. Whether buying new or renewing, sales of electric vehicle EVs are growing rapidly. These vehicles contain high voltage batteries and specialized component that can ensure significant repair cost if demanded. Tata ALG offer insurance policies designed to provide financial protection for EV owner by covering the costs of repair arising from accident, damage, and specific electrical fault. An important feature is the electric Sorg Secure add-on, which cover repair cost resulting from damage caused by short circuit, power surges, and similar electrical faults. Will the charging equipment supplied with the EV is covered under the base policy for standard perils. Surge related damage is covered only through this add-on. Only the portable charger provided at the time of purchase is considered part of the vehicle and must be included in the insured this layered value. Tata ALG also offer add-on such as zero depreciation and engine secure. The engine secure add-on is applicable to vehicle with internal combustion engine, ICE, and hybrid electric vehicle, but is not applied to pure electric vehicle. Key future of car insurance. Type of car insurance. India. Tata ALG General Insurance Company offer car insurance policies designed to meet your specific needs. Whether you need comprehensive coverage or basic third-party coverage, Tata ALG General Insurance Company has the right policy to ensure you are protected from unexpected financial losses arising with an insured vehicle. Your premium cost is influenced by factors such as the car insured, declared value, IDV, make, model, engine contextual location, and any add-ons you selected. Understanding these factors help you choose a policy that suits both your car and your budget. Make sure your car is protected by selecting the coverage you need with Tata ALG General Insurance Company car insurance policies. Comprehensive car insurance policy. A comprehensive car insurance policy provides you with broad coverage taking care of both your own vehicle and third party liabilities. It includes protection for damage caused by accident, theft, fraud, can natural disaster, giving you the confidence to drive without worrying about the unaccepted event or financial burdens that could arise from accident. Will this policy offer extensive protection? It do not cover everything. There are specific situations like accident in restricted areas or damage caused by drunk driving that are outside the scope of your coverage. It's important to understand these exclusions so you are fully aware of your policy's limits. Comprehensive car insurance policy detail. Coverage on car damage, third party liabilities, theft, fire, natural disaster, not coverage damages from drunk driving accident in restricted areas like war zones or civil unrest, and accident from illegal activities or rocking. Premium rank various based on IDV car model add on an other factor. Stand alone on damage car insurance policy. A on damage cover should cover damages to your own vehicle due to a side accident, theft, fire, and natural disaster. However, it does not cover third party liabilities, for which third party insurance must be purchased separately. Stand alone on damage car insurance policy detail. Coverage on car damage due to accident, theft, fire, natural disaster, not covered. Third party liability, drunk driving and accident in restricted areas. Premium rank depends on IDV car model, location, and on stand-alone third-party car insurance policy. Third-party vias comprehensive car insurance vias on damage car insurance. The three primary types of car insurance are third-party insurance, on damage insurance, and comprehensive insurance. Understanding the differ differences between these policies is essential to choose the right coverage for your needs. What's covered under car insurance policy by Tata Al General Insurance Company? Tata ALG General Insurance Company four-wheeler insurance policy offer you a wide coverage against multiple requirements, such as your car can suffer minor to major damages based on the severity of the accident. A comprehensive four wheels insurance policy and standalone on damage cover will take care of the financial liabilities arising from the repair necessitated by accident.
Benefits of buying car insurance online. Car insurance is a crucial financial safety net that protects you against financial losses that may arise from road accidents, theft, and other unforeseen accidents and incidents. With the advent of technology, buying car insurance has become much more convenient, especially in India, where buying car insurance online has become the norm. There are several benefits of buying car insurance online in India, which are discussed below. Conveniences. One of the major benefits of buying insurance online is that offer great convenience. You can either buy it online or choose get in touch with the agent. Moreover, it is possible to compare different insurance policies, check their terms of conditions, and buying the one of that best suit of your needs. 24x7 availability. You can buy a car insurance policy of your choice at that any and from anywhere on your insurance providers. 24x7 online partials. You can get the in touch with the customer care team and have all the queries answered so that the purchase become easier. Easy comparisons. When you buy car insurance online, you have access to wide range of insurance policies. This make it easier for you compare the different policies and their features. You can compare the average premiums and their important details with visiting multiple insurance agent or broker. quick and simple. Buying car insurance online is quick and simple. You just need to fill out an online form with your personal and car details. Select the policy you want to buy and make a payment. The entire process is simple and straightforward and can be completed you just in few minutes. Affordable premiums and other great benefit of buying car insurance online is that the premium and usually lower than buying the policy online. This is because online insurance companies save on cost related to brick and mortar officials, agents, and the expensive which they passes to the customer through lower premiums, discount and offers. You may be able to access discounts and specials offered for the buying the insurance online. For instance, the claims by bounce in the customer through lower premium. Inconvenience that you can make the most of when you do not file claim for or policy years on your insurance policy. Zero paperwork. The online car insurance renewal process reduces the health of physical documents. You no longer require paper documents and additional physical forms of renew policy, making it is a quick, efficient process with the instance policy. Continuous coverage. With Tata AIG is online renewable process for getting due to dates, releasing the needs of the car insurance renewal very close to expiry date is no longer obstacle. This insurance your benefits from the continuous coverage under the policy, keeping your car and personal safety in check. Avoids penalties. Driving with a valid car insurance policy, especially third party car insurance, is mandatory to avoid non-compliance to traffic rules and regulations. Attraction hefty fines. However, with the ease of online car insurance renewal, you can avoid penalties with the convenience of instant renewals from anywhere. How to choose the best four-wheeler insurance policy online. Decide on the type of insurance to choose the right car insurance. Consider your car's age and value. Third-party insurance is required by law and is covered damage to others' vehicles. Property, it is a basic option suitable for the older or less valuable car. Comprehensive insurance provides a border protections covering both third-party damage and your car damage from accident, thief, fire, or natural disasters. If your car is older or you want a more affordable option, third-party insurance may suffice. For new or high-value cars, comprehensive insurance offers better overall coverage. Second, compare policies online. User insurance website to compare the plans online. Enter your vehicle's detail to get quotes, but remember that premium depends on IDV car, model, add-ons, and locations. Choose add-ons. Check the available ads once basis on your vehicle's eligibility and policy type. Add-ons like zero depreciations, engine protections cover ads, roadside assistance offer additional coverage, ensuring you are better protected in case to specific damage emergency that may not be full coverage under the stand policy. 4. Look for online saving. You can save one car insurance through online discount and no claim bonds NCB if renewing an on damage policy. NCB does not apply to first time policy purchase. 5. Claim process and network garage. A wide network of cashless garage sports repairs following an accident's behavior. However, claim approvals depend on the verifications and the term of your policy contains certain repairs may not fully covered due to policy exclusions. 6. Purchase online. Once you select the right policy, but if online of your paperless and uncompleted process, some policies, especially for high IDV vehicles, may require the additional verifications. Points to consider while choosing car insurance. The process of buying car insurance is the simple but take time and quite are bit research. Moreover, it is of utmost important to get at least a third party car insurance policy from a legal standpoint. Tata AIG understands the importance of the having a suitable four-wheeler insurance policy and offers car insurance policies that cater a very individual in needs and budget. Decide insurance type while choosing four-wheeler insurance. You can choose between the basic third-party ability cover and the comprehensive insurance over. While having a basic third-party insurance cover a legal completions and cover and a comprehensive insurance covers. While having a basic third-party insurance cover is legal complications and cover damage caused only the third party individual party. A comprehensive for car four-wheeler policy offers more extensive coverage that offers protections against accidental damage due to loss, the theft, natural and man-made disaster, and also offer the personal accident covers. We at Tata AIG also provides varied type of the car insurance such as a comprehensive car insurance policy stands alone owner damage car policy, and we at Tata also provide the varied type of the insurance. Third party car insurance policy, the array of the choice to that you can find the car insurance type and best suit your and your needs. Policy and conditions. The policy coverage of your car insurance policy will depend mainly on your needs and your budget. Apart from that, your car's make and model, the areas you are live in and other factors will affect the policy coverage while choosing a suitable insurance policy. You can use the Tata AIG car insurance calculator to calculate and compare to coverage the various policies before making informed decisions. Availability of ads on while you are buying the car insurance online or renew your policy, you can consider extending to enhancing your policy cover with the help of operates ads on we offers multiple unique ads on such as zero depressions, key displacement, return to invoice, engine the sources, and secure and more that made various situations outside the scope of your insurance policy. A selection of the appropriate ads ones in your car insurance policy can provide all the round of the protections to your four-wheeler. Check insurance declared value. Check insurance declared value. The IDV or insured's declared value of the car is the current market value when calculating your car insurance. The IDV is important as it is the amount your car is insured for in case of the total loss, complete damage, or theft of the car. The policyholder receive the insurance declared value when the claim is settled. Always select the IDV carefully, as a lower IDV means the insufficient computations in the event of the total loss, even through the means lower policy premium. On the other hand, the higher IDV cloud means paying the expensive premiums networks of the cashless carriage. If your car situation manners as a major damage due to the car accidents, you can visit any of your insurance network garages of the repairs by choosing the networks pages. You can avail the cashless claims whereas the insurance directly selected the repair cost of the garage, reducing your immediate financial burden. Compare quotes. Tata AIG, the general insurance company, is the online car insurance calculators make it is easy for you to compare different vehicle insurance policies online. Depending on your budgets and requirements, you can choose the insurance amount of the ads on and then compare the different plans to find the appropriate one to protect your cars. Check claims, settlements, ratio, review, and the service afforded. The claim settlements ratio of the company is an important factor to be considered. While purchasing your car insurance of your insurance claim settlement, the ratio is the high is indicate a better chances of your claims being settled on the time. Similarly, the service offered by the insurance company directly affect customer loyalty and should be checked before you buy four-wheeler insurance policy for the company. How to calculate the insurance premiums? The car insurance premiums devise the choose of four-wheeler insurance policy by the individual as seen the provides above sections. There are many factors of the effect the premiums, but do you know about how you can calculate the exact premiums for your choice of car insurance policy? Below are the popular methods of calculating for your four-wheelers insurance premiums. Calculating your car's insurance premiums with our online premium calculator calculator. A car insurance premiums calculator is an online provided by the insurance companies to help you calculate your premium of a Jeffy. Simply enter the required information, select the policy coverage and add ons and click on the get price. The calculator will display to the total premium you need to pay to the by the four-wheeler insurance coverage. Calculating on damage insurance premiums. The premium for on own damage insurance policy is calculated as follows. Insurer declares value premiums, sheriff as decides by the insurance. Adds on discounts like NCB. Calculating insurer declare value of your vehicles. The IDV for your vehicle the calculates following: list price of the cars, manufacturers, depreciations, dedications, cost of vehicle expenses which are not the part of the list price, depreciations, reductions of associations. Calculating the party car insurance premiums as per the notification issued by the IDEA for the financials year 2022-2023. The premiums rates the apply to the motor third party liability insurance for the private car effect from the 1st July 2022 are the follows. Engine's cubic capacity and IRD notified premiums not exceeding 100 cc RS 2094 exceeding 1000 cc but not exceeding 150,000 cc RS 3416 exceeding 1500 cc RS 7897 cc.